You can use Google Ad Manager to inspect and troubleshoot ad delivery on your site. On your Google Ad Manager account, go to Delivery Tools. Here, you have the option to inspect web page ads, mobile web, mobile app, in-stream video ads, or upload a screenshot. In case you have multiple Ad Manager accounts, make sure you are using the right one to inspect the ads. What happens if you happen to use the wrong account? So for example, this is the page that I have mistakenly checked on this account. What you're going to get is like this. Demand channel is unknown, could not load line items or yield groups, and not applicable for advertiser. So again, whichever Google Ad Manager is being used for that site, that's what you have to use. So let's say, for example, I'm going to inspect the web page ads for my site. I'm going to paste the link here where the ads are running. You can't use a link where there are no ads. Click Continue. We'll then open the site on another tab with this appended in the URL. And here, under the Ad Slots tab, you can see the status for each of your ad unit running on the site, and then the page request. Ideally, you should not see any warnings here. But if you do, like this, you have to address them accordingly. So one example is, this ad unit was called without a corresponding div on the page, meaning the ad unit is included or defined in the header section of your site, but there's no corresponding div or body tag, in which case the ad will not be able to load. When you go back to your Ad Manager account, you will see the results in here. You see the sizes, ad slot, demand channel. So you see exactly which line item is serving for that ad unit and where it's coming from, and you have the direct link to inspect. In the overview, you can see all other details and the exact buyer or creative that was served on that ad unit. If you click on Simulate Request, it will open another tab and you will have all the details for that ad request, and you will be able to either remove them or change them manually and then run the simulation. In short, you are able to manually change the settings for that ad request, run the simulation, and see if you get any issues. So with the ad request simulator, it shows you what will happen if you are to request this ad slot again. On the web page you're troubleshooting, you also have direct link to open it in the Delivery Tools or audit this page. It will then open Publisher Ads Audits for Lighthouse. Here you can do advanced settings or change the URL, generate the report. This tool gives you some diagnostics on your ad performance. If you want to troubleshoot a specific ad served on your site, you can take a screenshot and save it as a PNG file and upload it in here. Google Ad Manager will then scan the image and attempt to display information about the creative, including its source. Another very useful tool in troubleshooting your ad delivery is PubGuru Ad Inspector Chrome extension. It gives you the summary here of the errors, warnings, or things that are going well on your site. The dashboard will show you some of the ad units running. You can turn on the ad overlay or turn off. It gives you an overview of what's going on in the ad unit level, bidders, and others. When you go to the Ad Units tab, it shows you the breakdown per ad unit. And on the right, you will see your ad map. So you will see exactly where that ad slot is located on the page. When you go to the Bidders tab, you see the information broken down by bidder. The timeline gives you the series of events and the milliseconds it took on page. Settings is like the simulator that allows you to change some settings, save and reload, and see what happens on that page load. GDPR makes sure your code implementation is correct and that you are compliant with GDPR. Logs is where all the other information are stored. When you turn on the ad overlay on your ads, you will have direct link to open the creative serving on this ad unit, line item, inspect it, and all other information. In case of an error or warning, you can expand it, and you will have a link that will give you the step-by-step guide on how to address the issue.